A journey into biophilic architecture. Biophilic architecture has moved beyond trend status. It is now a lifestyle direction shaping the interiors of 2025. By merging natural materials, organic layouts, and wellness-driven design, it creates spaces where people thrive. This video will explore how nature and modern luxury blend to form homes that nurture mind, body, and soul. Where nature meets innovation at its core, biophilic architecture emphasizes human connection with nature through intentional design. It doesn't just mean adding plants indoors, but also integrating natural light, sustainable materials, and sensory-rich environments. This definition frames our journey into how 2025 interiors are embracing biophilia for both beauty and well-being. Beyond minimalism and into organic opulence. Modern interiors once prioritized minimalism, but 2025 trends lean toward organic luxury. Here, elegance emerges not from cold perfection but from warm natural elements: stone, wood, greenery, and water features. Biophilic luxury brings balance, turning living spaces into sanctuaries of calm sophistication without losing contemporary appeal. Green living with purpose. Sustainability isn't an afterthought, it's the foundation of biophilic architecture. Homes now emphasize low-carbon materials, energy efficiency, and renewable resources. Bamboo floors, reclaimed wood, and recycled stone countertops aren't just eco-friendly, they're luxurious. By 2025, sustainable choices reflect a new kind of prestige, where responsibility equals refined living. Illuminating wellness and beauty daylight is the ultimate luxury. Biophilic interiors prioritize expansive windows, skylights, and open layouts that maximize natural illumination. This connection to sunlight boosts mood, reduces reliance on artificial lighting, and highlights textures of natural materials. In 2025 homes, light becomes both aesthetic and functional, merging beauty with health. Bringing greenery to new heights, green walls have evolved into sculptural masterpieces. Beyond visual beauty, these installations purify air, regulate temperature, and provide calming acoustics. Vertical gardens in kitchens, living rooms, and even bedrooms redefine interiors, transforming them into lush retreats. In 2025, they symbolize the pinnacle of biophilic luxury design. Blurring boundaries with nature, the most luxurious homes of 2025 erase boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Sliding glass walls, courtyard gardens, and terraces seamlessly integrate living spaces with landscapes. This fluid connection enhances relaxation and encourages outdoor living. Biophilic architecture proves luxury isn't confinement. It's the freedom to feel nature inside every room. Serenity in motion water elements, indoor fountains, reflecting pools, or wall-mounted waterfalls bring tranquility into modern interiors. The sound of flowing water reduces stress, while reflective surfaces add elegance. In 2025, homes integrate water not as a decorative afterthought but as an immersive biophilic experience, blending luxury with emotional rejuvenation. Earth's palette of elegant stone countertops, clay walls, and solid wood accents embody the tactile luxury of nature. These materials offer warmth, durability, and authenticity. Designers in 2025 embrace imperfections, veins in marble, knots in wood, as markers of uniqueness. The result? Spaces that celebrate raw beauty while elevating modern sophistication. A sensory connection touch matters. Biophilic interiors incorporate textures that ground us: wool rugs, linen upholstery, rattan furniture, and raw stone finishes. These tactile elements create deeper sensory experiences, reminding us of the natural world. Luxury in 2025 is defined not by excess but by the richness of authentic, touchable materials. Moving beyond straight lines, nature rarely designs in straight lines. Biophilic architecture embraces curves, arches, and organic forms in furniture and layouts. These shapes feel softer, more inviting, and psychologically comforting. In 2025, luxury interiors step away from rigid geometry, embracing biomorphic designs that echo rivers, leaves, and flowing landscapes. Technology in harmony with nature. Modern luxury isn't just natural, it's intelligent. Smart systems control light, temperature, and air quality while respecting sustainability goals. Automated irrigation for indoor gardens, circadian lighting systems, and eco-friendly appliances define 2025 interiors. The harmony of technology and nature creates homes that are both futuristic and grounding. Designing for health and mindfulness. Biophilic architecture extends beyond visual appeal. It's about wellness. Spaces infused with greenery, natural light, and organic materials reduce stress, improve air quality, and enhance sleep. In 2025, homes are designed to nurture mindfulness, transforming luxury into a lifestyle where well-being is as valuable as beauty. Biophilia across borders. From Japanese Zen gardens to Scandinavian hygge, global traditions inspire biophilic architecture. These cultural design philosophies emphasize simplicity, harmony, and respect for nature. In 2025, modern homes borrow from diverse heritages, creating interiors that feel rooted in tradition while speaking to global luxury sensibilities. How nature shapes emotion. The presence of plants, wood, and natural light triggers calmness, creativity, and focus. Biophilic architecture acknowledges this psychological power, crafting interiors that support emotional health. In 2025, luxury design is measured not only by style but also by how deeply it nourishes the human spirit. Rest in nature's embrace bedrooms become sanctuaries of serenity with biophilic elements. Picture headboards crafted from reclaimed wood, linen drapery, and plant-filled corners. Skylights allow stargazing from bed, while natural textures create coziness. In 2025, the most luxurious bedrooms aren't gilded, they're grounded in the restorative rhythms of nature. Culinary Spaces with Soul. The heart of the home thrives with biophilic touches, stone islands, herb gardens, and open layouts that invite natural ventilation. These kitchens foster healthier cooking and social connection. By 2025, luxury kitchens aren't sterile showcases but vibrant hubs infused with life, flavor, and a deep connection to earth. Water, light, and serenity bathrooms in 2025 embody spa-like retreats. Designers incorporate stone sinks, wooden accents, and rainfall showers surrounded by greenery. Natural light floods the space, enhancing wellness rituals. Here, biophilic design transforms daily routines into restorative practices, elevating bathrooms into sanctuaries of luxury and tranquility. Productivity meets serenity. Work-from-home culture continues into 2025, and biophilic design makes home offices more inspiring. Plants, natural textures, and strategic lighting enhance focus and reduce stress. These workspaces prove luxury isn't about excess, it's about environments that support productivity, creativity, and well-being simultaneously. Nurturing growth through design. Children thrive when surrounded by nature. Biophilic playrooms and bedrooms encourage exploration, imagination, and calm. Indoor climbing walls inspired by rock formations, reading nooks under skylights, and plant-filled learning spaces define 2025's family luxury homes, supporting both growth and joy. Luxury living beyond the walls. Patios, courtyards, and rooftop gardens extend biophilic living outdoors. These spaces offer dining, lounging, or meditating under the sky. In 2025, the luxury of a home is measured not just indoors, but by how well it connects to the natural world outside its walls. Creativity rooted in nature. Art pieces inspired by natural landscapes, sculptures, paintings, or installations enhance interiors with deeper meaning. Designers in 2025 integrate biophilic art that mirrors the home's organic elements. This harmony between architecture and art turns spaces into galleries of nature's influence, elevating luxury with cultural richness. What lies beyond 2025? Looking ahead, biophilic design will evolve with innovations like bioluminescent materials, responsive architecture, and climate-adaptive interiors. The future promises even more immersive connections with nature, where homes actively interact with the environment. Luxury will continue to be defined by sustainability, wellness, and harmony with the natural world. Homes that connect people and planet. Biophilic architecture nurtures more than individuals. It fosters community. Shared green courtyards, communal gardens, and sustainable neighborhoods redefine luxury living as collective well-being. By 2025, the most prestigious homes aren't isolated castles but connected havens where nature brings people together. Living well in 2025 and beyond. Biophilic architecture reminds us that true luxury isn't excess, it's alignment with the rhythms of nature. As we've seen, 2025 interiors embrace light, greenery, natural materials, and wellness-driven design. These homes inspire healthier living, deeper connections, and timeless elegance, proving that nature's embrace is the most luxurious gift of all.